When you're hungry and you don't want to choose between filling your body with junk or settling for the same old boring health food, you're dedicated to eating nutritious, wholesome keto foods your body needs to be at its best, but don't have the time to waste to try and figure out complicated recipes, you need a convenient resource for enticing, easy-to-prepare dishes. With tantalizing photos and clear instructions, the easy-to-use Ketosis Cookbook is exactly what you're looking for. The Ketosis Cookbook contains more than 370 recipes in 16 comprehensive categories, ready to satisfy the smallest craving or the biggest hunger. Choose from mouth-watering keto options like pulled Asian pineapple grilled pork chops, creamy chicken enchiladas, double chocolate walnut brownies, jelly donut cupcakes, and even strawberry shortcake. With a wealth of easy-to-follow recipes at your fingertips, you can stop stressing about your food. Start enjoying the healthy, energetic body, weight loss, increased energy, mental sharpness, and positive attitude you gain from eating only wholesome, natural ingredients that truly nourish. If you get the Ketosis Cookbook today, you'll receive these free bonuses. The Ultimate Guide to Keto, providing clear, concise information on how to transform your life, eat healthier, lose weight, and feel great. A 12-week keto meal plan. That's 90 days of planned keto meals, including shopping lists for each week. Keto desserts containing over 40 mouth-watering healthy desserts designed to keep you satisfied, and slow cooker meals with over 30 easy-to-prepare, set-it-and-forget-it dinners. Eating the foods that help you thrive doesn't have to be a chore. Click below right now to get access to the Ketosis Cookbook and discover how easy and delicious wholesome eating can be.